Number 10. Your phone charger. Actually, if you yank the cord instead of pulling the plug, you're slowly killing the cable. Well, pull from the plug, not the cord. Your cables will last longer, and you'll cry less when they fail. Seriously. 9. Pasta. Most people wait for the water to boil, then toss in the noodles, right? Here's the thing. Try starting the pasta in cold water and heating it together. It cooks more evenly and actually saves time. Bonus, you don't have to hover over a boiling pot pretending you're a professional chef. No judgment, we've all done it. 8. Jeans. Surprisingly, washing them after just a few wears actually ruins their color and fit. Well, instead spot clean, hang them out, or if you're feeling adventurous, freeze them to freshen. Your jeans will last longer and look better. Bonus, you save detergent and cut down on laundry frustration. 7. Bananas. Guess what? You peel from the stem, but monkeys peel from the bottom. Oh, it's quicker, cleaner, and the stringy bits don't stick. Nature's flex. Monkeys win again. Try it. You'll feel like a sneaky genius. 6. Pizza. You won't believe. Microwave equals rubbery disappointment. All right. Toss it in a skillet with a splash of water, cover for a minute, and the bottom gets crispy while the top stays melty. Boom. Better than microwaving. Trust me. 5. Tomatoes. Wait. Stop putting them in the fridge the moment you get home. Oh, cold kills the flavor and turns the texture meh. Keep them on the counter out of direct sun until ripe. Only refrigerate if you can't eat them in a few days. Your BLTs will thank you. Your taste buds will thank you. Everyone wins. 4. Peanut butter. That oily puddle on top? Totally avoidable. Well, store the jar upside down so the oil redistributes and you won't be scooping gross oil every time. Simple, glorious fix. Bonus. Spreads more evenly on your toast, and yes, that matters. Game changer. 3. Wine glasses. Here's the thing. If you grab the bowl, you warm the wine with your hand. Let's see. Hold by the stem so it stays the right temperature. Instant upgrade to your fancy dinner energy, zero training required. People will notice, even if they pretend not to. 2. Cake. What if I told you? Triangles look cute, but they dry the rest of the cake out fast. Okay, cut down the middle and push the halves together. The inside stays moist, and you become the party hero. Everyone at the table will low-key be impressed. Bonus, fewer crumbs on the floor. Seriously, do this. And number 1, the tiny habit that actually matters, closing the toilet lid before flushing. Surprisingly, most people don't, which sends microscopic droplets flying everywhere. Close it, flush, and boom. Cleaner bathroom, smarter life. Everyone will thank you for this one, and honestly, it's just polite. You'll feel smarter and cleaner instantly. So which one made you go, oh no, I do that? Well, drop it in the comments. I need to know I'm not alone here, and then, if you want. Part 2. Hit subscribe, because I've got more videos like this one coming out soon. All right, peace.